Hey, are you planning any trips soon?
Yeah, I am thinking of going on a vacation next month. Do you have any suggestions?
What kind of vacation are you looking for? What kind of vacation are you looking for?
I want something relaxing, maybe a beach getaway.
Have you considered going to Thailand? They have beautiful beaches and affordable resorts. Have you considered going to Thailand? They have beautiful beaches and affordable resorts.
That sounds great. Is it easy to get around there? That sounds great. Is it easy to get around there?
Yeah, they have good transportation options like taxis and tuk-tuks. Plus, you can also rent scooters to explore.
Awesome. How about the food? I love trying new cuisines.
Thai food is delicious. You'll find a lot of tasty dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice.
I am sold. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Let me know if you need any more tips or help planning your trip. Safe travels!
Will do. By the way, have you ever been to Thailand yourself?
Yeah, I went there last year. It was amazing. The people are friendly, and there's so much to see and do.
That's awesome to hear. Did you have any favorite places or activities?
Definitely visiting the temples in Bangkok and exploring the markets. Also, I took a cooking class where I learned to make authentic Thai dishes.
Wow, that sounds like a blast. I will make sure to check out those spots too. How about accommodations? Any recommendations?
I stayed in a nice hostel near Khao San Road. It was affordable and had a fun atmosphere. But there are also plenty of resorts and hotels along the beaches if you prefer something more luxurious.
Thanks for the info. I will start looking into it. I can't wait to soak up the sun and enjoy some delicious food.
It's going to be an unforgettable trip for sure. Let me know if you need any help planning or packing.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I will definitely reach out if I need any advice. Hey, what about the weather in Thailand during that time?
It's usually warm and sunny, perfect for a beach vacation. Just make sure to pack light clothes, sunscreen, and a hat to stay protected from the sun.
Good to know. I will make sure to pack accordingly. Oh, speaking of packing, any must have items you recommend bringing?
Definitely a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated, insect repellent for the evenings, and a travel adapter for your electronics. And don't forget your swimsuit and sunglasses, of course.
Thanks for the reminders. I will make a checklist so I don't forget anything important. It's so easy to overlook small things when I'm packing.
Absolutely. Planning ahead can save you a lot of hassle later on. If you need any more tips or advice, feel free to ask.
Will do. Thanks again for all your help. I am getting really excited about this trip now.
No problem at all. I'm excited for you too. It's going to be an incredible adventure. Just remember to take lots of photos and enjoy every moment.
Will do. I will make sure to share all the highlights with you when I get back. Thanks again. You are the best.
Anytime, friend. Have a fantastic time in Thailand. Safe travels.
Thanks. I definitely will. Oh, one last thing before I go. Do you have any tips for budgeting while traveling?
Absolutely. One tip is to eat where the locals eat. Street food stalls and local restaurants often offer delicious meals at a fraction of the cost of touristy places.
That's a great tip. I love trying authentic food anyway, so that works perfectly.
Another tip is to use public transportation instead of taxis or private tours whenever possible. It's usually much cheaper and gives you a chance to experience the local culture.
Good point. I will make sure to look into the public transportation options available. Anything else I should keep in mind?
Be mindful of your spending on souvenirs and activities. It's easy to get carried away, but try to prioritize experiences over material things.
Got it. I will keep that in mind and focus on making memories instead. Thanks for all the valuable advice.
You're welcome. Remember, the best part of traveling is immersing yourself in new cultures and creating unforgettable experiences. Have an amazing time, and I can't wait to hear all about your adventures when you get back.
Thanks again. I will make sure to share all the highlights with you. Take care and talk to you soon.
Take care and safe travels. Can't wait to catch up when you return.
Definitely. I will make sure to keep you updated along the way. Oh, one more thing before I forget. Do you have any recommendations for travel insurance?
Absolutely. It's essential to have travel insurance for peace of mind. I've used a few different providers in the past, but I've had good experiences with World Nomads and Allianz Travel Insurance.
Thanks for the recommendations. I will look into both options and choose the one that best fits my need and budget.
No problem. It's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when traveling to a new destination. Plus, having travel insurance can save you a lot of money and stress in case of emergencies.
That's true. I will make sure to prioritize getting travel insurance before I finalize my plans. Thanks again for all your help and advice.
Anytime, I'm here to help. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy travels, my friend.
Thanks, you are the best. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Before we wrap up, do you have any recommendations for things to do in the evening in Thailand?
Absolutely, Thailand has a vibrant nightlife scene. In places like Bangkok and Phuket, you can explore night markets, watch traditional Thai dance performances, or enjoy live music at bars and clubs.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I will definitely make sure to experience the nightlife while I am there. Thanks for the suggestions.
You're welcome. Just remember to stay safe and be aware of your surroundings, especially if you're out late at night and if you ever need someone to hang out with. I'm just a text away.
Thanks, that means a lot. I will make sure to keep that in mind. Well, I better start getting everything ready for my trip. Thanks again for all your advice.